show you how you can be earning at least 1,500 naira on a daily basis from this particular website. This particular website pays you to read email on a daily basis. They will send you loads of email, and each of them that you open and read within few seconds, you will receive at least 0.05 cents. And imagine if you're able to read at least 10-20 emails per day. Imagine how much you'll be earning. Hello guys, my name is Linus and welcome back to my channel where I teach you, where I provide videos on how to make money online and also how to scale your online business. If this is your first time of seeing my channel, please, I urge you to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification that each time I upload videos just like the one you're about to watch, YouTube is going to notify you. And if you are a returning subscriber, I say thank you for being part of my channel. Thank you for helping me to grow my channel. Please do not forget to like this video and do not forget to share it among your family and friends. And today, let's be talking about the website that is known as Voltic.com. Voltic.com says earn money by reading emails. Earn money by reading email wherever you are. With Voltic, you can earn money by reading emails whenever you are, wherever you are, from your PC, tablet, or mobile phone. And what you have to do on this particular website is that they will send you emails, and each email they send to you and you read it, you definitely get paid. And in addition to that, they also pay you commission from your referral earnings. You earn up to 6 levels. These are the 6 levels that they have mentioned here. And lastly, they also pay you $1 for every referral. When your referral earns at least $1. I'm going to put my referral link on the description box of this video so that you're going to use my referral link to sign up. Now, if you want to just enter this website, you click on register. And once you click on register, it's going to bring you to this particular page. I've already registered, so there's no need for me to register again. Now, if you register on this particular website, they are going to send you email. And that email is going to tell you that in order to activate your account, you need to click the following link to finish your registration process. This particular registration process, I've already done it, but I'm going to show you how you must be able to ensure that this Voltic.com will always be sending you emails for you to read, because it is only when you read emails that you'll be able to get your money. So what you have to do is to click on this particular link. If I click on this link, because for the fact that I've already done it, it's not going to go to, because this link has already expired. But whenever you see your own link, you click on this particular one. So when you click it, then the thing is going to take you to Operation Successful. Why my own is very successful? Because I've already used the link. So you click on return to page. So if you return to this particular page, what I'm going to do is maybe I'm going to sign in. But before that, let me show you another thing that you need to do. Now, if this particular Voltic sends you an email, they're going to send you 2 emails. The first one is activation email. The second one is another email that they will send to you, telling you what you need to read. This place says, welcome to Voltic. Then support at cgemail.io is the official email for the paid to read email ads of Voltic.com. To make sure you receive all our emails and don't miss paid email, add support at contact list. Below, you will find step-by-step video instructions on how to do that. But we're not going to watch this video now. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this so that Voltic.com will always send you email, and that email is going to land in your primary email address. So what you got to do now is come to this place that you have these 3 dotted lines here. Click on those 3 dotted lines. Click on filter like this. So when you click on filter like this, it will open another dialog box. You click on create filter. Once you click on create filter, you click on star it. Click on never send it to spam. Click on another one on always apply filter to. Why you have these 3 things? Because of the number of emails I've actually received from them. Then you are going to also have, if you have star it, never send it to spam, always mark it as important. Then what you have to do again is this. So when you finish, you click on create filter. I've already done all these things, so there's no need to repeating it here. You click on create filter. So once you click on create that filter, okay, remember to categorize it. Also click on categorize. Once you click on categorize, choose here and click primary. So whatever thing you do, whatever they send to you, this email is going to land on your primary email box. So when you finish, the next thing you do is to come to this place, click on this contact. Then you add up Voltic.com in your own email address, so that once they send you email, everything is going to land into your email. Now let's log in proper so that you see how the whole thing looks like. Now come here, I'm going to click on login. Then when I click on login here, send you a code. When they send you a code, go to your email, pick that particular code. Now you pick this code, take it back to the website, okay, then you now log in. This is what I've been able to make within this particular period of time. So what you have to do is this. Now if you look at this place, you find out that I've already sent me an email. This email, what I need to do now is to open this email. Click here. This is how you read the email. Just watch this place. You click here now, and you click continue. So once you click and once the thing opens, please do not close the page. Just leave the page open. If you look at this place, you see where the thing is reading. Just leave this particular page open. Leave it open and see how the whole thing is reading until the thing completes. Once the thing completes, your account will be credited with 0.015 cents. So watch the account, watch this place as the thing completes to 100. So that's what you need to wait until the thing completes. Okay, the thing has completed now. So what you have to do is to wait. Once you wait there, you definitely see that you have been credited and that your account. Now let's look at the earning potentials of this now. And if you come to this place, you click on statistics, you click on leaderboard, then you see this will find out how much people are earning from this particular place and the country where they are from. The highest person here is from India, the second person is from Nigeria, Pakistan, United States, Iran, or no, this particular person don't put in, he sees our own country. So this is the potential of this particular website. We have top earners. These are the top earners, and you get paid once you have 0.2 cents. That's when you get paid. Then you click on this money. Then you click on withdraw. If you click on this particular withdrawal, you see that they pay you through payer. They pay through payer or first pay, whichever one you have. You can just get it. You pay to pay. Just go and register an account with Payer. I'm going to make a video on how to create Payer account. So all these things now, just go once into this particular website, register, sign up, and begin to read emails. Please ensure that you're going to follow all the step-by-step guideline I've put on the app. I've taught you here. Make sure that you put their email on the primary email list, so that each time they send you email, you definitely get to read their email. Please make sure if you have not subscribed to my channel, and if you have gotten any value from this particular video, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.